Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And behind me is my new to me 2016 Shelby GT350. The Shelby GT350 and the S550 Mustang platform in general is truly something special. There are very few cars you can jump into, turn the ignition, and have a huge smile on your face every single time. When I was looking for a new Mustang, I wanted to get into something that I would be satisfied every single time that I sat in the car. I wanted something that I could leave bone stock if I wanted to and be completely happy. I wanted something that I could leave all motor and be completely happy. I wanted something that I could boost and be incredibly happy. And the GT350 checked off all those boxes. You could drive it around the town, rip it around the corners, hit the straight lines, and be completely content with the vehicle you were in. And let's be honest, there's nothing better than hearing that 5.2 liter Voodoo scream at 8250 RPM. Try the Supra. But obviously, things like that can't happen overnight. I still want to have some fun with the Shelby GT350 in its bone stock format, get a true feel for the car, understand exactly how to drive this new platform to me properly, and also give it my own personal touches because I was not a fan of the front arrow that came on the car when I initially bought it. Previous owner was a complete genius and bolted on some like winglets here, which I don't like, this little front arrow stuff. As you guys can see here behind, they're bolted on. So we're gonna have to get the bumper repaired. And essentially what's gonna happen is this whole front bumper's gonna be taken off. It's gonna get repainted. It's gonna get patched up where the holes are at. And we're gonna apply new stripe tape all the way down. But before the stripe tape's on the car, I am gonna get a photo sent of what the car looks like with the stripe tape deleted. All right, so this is a triple yellow GT350 without the stripes. And honestly, I think it looks 10 times better. Let me know down in the comment section right now what y'all think, man. All y'all vibing with the new look. Personally, I really like it. I was very skeptical on what this car would look like without the stripes because it's a whole lot of yellow. Like, it's highlighter yellow, school bus yellow. It's a loud color, a loud ass color, but honestly, I'm really happy the way it turned out. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna be questioning my decision on removing the stripes on a Shelby GT350. A lot of people consider the stripes a part of a Shelby Mustang. Now, don't get me wrong. The stripes look amazing on 350s and GT500s. But for me personally, the vision I had for this car, the stripes really were not a part of it. Don't get me wrong. They look amazing. But for my personal preference, I decided to go ahead and remove them and focus on some other modifications on the vehicle. Finally, today is the day. After over a month, ridiculous, a month of waiting, we finally have the long tube headers, the JLT Cold Air Intake, and we're gonna be dropping them off at C1D Racing in Pearland to get installed, as well as the E85 Flex Tune. We're about to go ahead and get this dropped off. Well, first we gotta load it up in the car. Actually wasn't heavy at all, so, and the box wasn't even that big, so we should be able to go ahead and fit this very easily. All right, let's get this going, man. Long tube headers, catless. We are in track mode. I want done. Drop my keys. Woo! It's a big difference from stock. And the car was actually stock. Oh my goodness, man. Yes! This car with long tube headers, JLT Cold Air Intake, obviously catless, on the spicy tune that it is on right now, this car made 543 to the tires. Now again, I think that is incredibly high. Now, I'm not the one to go around flexing dyno numbers, because at the end of the day, the one thing that matters is how does the car perform on the street? And after going headers, E85, and the cold air intake combination, it was time to put the Shelby GT350 to the test. Oh yeah. Yeah. So we can do. That car was fast. That's why I didn't want to go ahead and try it out. a good ass run. My clutch is slipping like crazy. Try this LS Swap New Edge bad. I want to try this car so bad. Try this Supra. So after some testing, I can confidently say I am very satisfied with the Shelby GT350 platform. For such a basic bolt-on setup, long tube headers, cold air intake with an E85 tune, this car can outrun a lot of platforms that I wouldn't think it should be anywhere near. I mean, a Hellcat with a stick shift Mustang that makes arguably 150 to 200 horsepower less, that's pretty impressive if you ask me. Now, as you guys saw in the clips, as the runs progressed, the clutch started to slip, so that's something I'm definitely gonna have to address. But for the time being, I decided to go ahead and focus on a little bit more exterior / performance modification. Woo! All right, y'all, so it is the next day, and in typical Houston fashion, as soon as we got the stock hood off, literally, as soon as we got the stock hood off, if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys know, it started to thunder, it started to rain, and the best thing we could have done was just to get the install completed in a timely manner. And obviously, recording an install and getting things done in a timely manner do not mix. So we had to get this banged out, and man, whew, it looks crazy. Now remember, this can be paint matched, and this is also the OEM hood, but in real Anderson's composite, you know, carbon fiber finish. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, man. All right, y'all, here's the hood. They got a semi-meet going on in my usual spot, but I think the lighting here will do good. This is very, very loud. And what I mean by loud is this is the exact opposite of what I normally do with my cars. Normally I have like black or a white car. I just keep everything the same. But I want to do something different here, man. I want to do something different. I want to mix it up. I want to jump out my comfort zone. A yellow car, carbon fiber hood. All right, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. We got the carbon fiber hood, re-clear coated. It's shining. We got the hood pins installed. I'm really liking this. Honestly, I like the hood more now because it has the pins and it looks a lot more aggressive. Now, obviously, when the car gets boosted, it's gonna actually be, you know, the real deal, and it's gonna technically need the hood pins. Well, it needs it now, but you guys know what I mean. Usually when you see pins on a car, it's pushing some power, but I'm really enjoying the way this car is turning out. OEM Plus look is the best look. And that's the Shelby GT350 as it sits right now. I have a new Mantic 9000 clutch awaiting install. I have a gloss black roof wrap that I'm going to be doing, as well as swapping out the 2016 to 2018 spoiler for the 2019 to 2020 GT350 spoiler with the gurney flap. So if you guys enjoy Mustangs and want to follow the build, feel free to drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel,
and also turn on those post notifications. And if you are interested in New Edge content, I got something special for you guys as well.